So how's everybody doing today? It is Keegywhispers back with another video. And today's video we are going to be eating a packet of crisps. So I have a packet of Sunbites multigrain crispy rice snacks, Walker's crisps, sour cream and cracked black pepper flavour. And the nutritional values are, it says this pack contains 502 kilojoules of energy, 5.4 grams of fat, 0.6 grams of saturates, 2.1 grams of sugar, and 0.33 grams of salt. Just do some crinkling for you. Turn it around and read the pack for you. It says, we've blended our passion for delicious flavours and textures with a unique selection of crunchy multigrains to create Sunbites. Each bag is brimming with natural flavour and bursting with 67% whole grain, making them irresistibly crispy. We hope you will enjoy these tiny moments of extraordinary pleasure as much as we enjoyed creating them. I'm sorry if there's like a delay in me talking. It's because my parents are downstairs, and if they walk upstairs and I'm just sat there whispering to myself, it kind of looks a little bit like weird. I've explained to my mum what ASMR is, and that she even listens to it, but it's still a bit weird if you just walk upstairs and your son is just whispering, reading off a packet of crisps. Grains for extra crunch, packed with 1/3 crisps. You just have to pause the video and explain to them you're doing it for relaxation purposes and not erotic purposes. So, what can we talk about? Oh yeah, we'll do a few facts about me again, sort of. So recently I have autism. Now people with autism, people think, because people are ignorant, they think that people with autism are incapable and illiterate and unable to think for themselves, but I'm a living example that that's not true. I'm not saying that I'm not like so smart and amazing and that. I'm just saying I'm pretty with it, you know. I can do all the things that anyone else can do, if not better. Doesn't mean anything that I have autism, you know. But yeah, I do music. I play guitar and I sing and I play piano. So I've been invited recently to, well, I was invited recently to do a gig. I've done it now. It was in London. Sorry, I thought my mum was coming upstairs. That would be awkward. No, it was in London, and yeah, it was the biggest gig I've ever done. I swear, I walked into the theatre in rehearsals, and the first thing I was like, oh my god. But I tell you now, when I'd done my performance, it felt amazing. I got to meet a few celebrities. I met, what's his name? That guy from Strictly. Ronan something. Yeah, I got a picture with him. Melanie Sykes, I met her, the BBC Breakfast producer. Yeah, it was a great time, but yeah, I've recently done that. I have a gig upcoming as well. There's this month, it's pretty soon. I looked on my calendar, I was like, shit, I've got a gig soon, I need to sort some songs out and stuff. But yeah, no, I find singing a way to like sort of express my feelings. So yeah, packet crisp is almost finished. After I eat it, I'm just gonna crinkle the bag a little bit for you. For a minute or so. Which will round us off to 10 minutes. How about we get 2 bags? Also, if there's something specific that you guys want to see, just